Hey guys, what's up? This is Gabriel and I have today here my beautiful wife.
Tegan.
And today we're going to be reviewing more themes of Shopify, and today the victim of our review is...
We've got Symmetry. It's $180 this one. It's by Clean Themes. We've reviewed Clean Themes a few times, haven't we?
Yeah, those guys know what they're doing. We are Clean Themes fans here.
Yeah, definitely. So with Symmetry here, we've got a full width slideshow, 3 homepage scrolling collection rows, grid and stream views on collection pages, which is cool. We like the options.
Yep.
Different Google fonts, live search, multi-level navigations and menus, and many more features that make it very flexible.
Okay, so this seems that is one of those themes that is super flexible and you can actually adapt it completely just by reading this. Let's have a look if the theme Symmetry is as good as it sounds. So it comes with 4 styles.
We've got Beatnik, Chantilly, Duke, and Saltyard.
Okay, not very easy for a non-native speaker, those themes to remember. Okay, so they look different. I mean, so far by looking at them, right?
We've got a lot of variation, so I guess a lot of options, a lot of adaptability here.
Yeah, and right now we have some stores using this theme. These guys have great reviews. I saw a sad face. And some of them are just good. But overall, many green faces. And we like green faces at Shopify.
We do.
Okay, so let's click on one of them on the real store. It's very important for us. And let's look at the demo. So let's click in View Demo of Symmetry.
Okay, so this one is Beatnik.
Okay, so let me close some windows here. We have from previous reviews. And cool. Okay, so Beatnik is a theme. Let me close the bar here. And here we go. Okay, this kind of looks... I kind of like this. But let's not forget that we're actually looking at the customization and the demo here. Okay, so this is the way it's going to potentially look. You can actually reorder the rows. And you can have quick buy drop downs. So this is the theme. What do you think so far?
Yeah, it's quite good. It lends itself well to glasses, what we've got here. And I'm just having a little bit of trouble seeing what else it might lend itself to. What sort of items you would sell on a page like this.
Yeah, I don't like the navigation. The navigation, I mean, it's too camouflaged, and I have difficulties when I have to make an effort to read the content. So right now the menu is kind of super sleek, and when it's super sleek, people tend to make mistakes.
Yeah, sometimes it works, but in this case, it seems a little bit confusing.
Yeah, in a kind of way, it's going to make people have to read properly to know what they're clicking. Let's have a look at the categories, because these guys of Clean Themes usually make great categories. Oh, this is pretty cool. I haven't seen this stuff happening before. That you have 3 on top and 2 underneath. It looks okay, I guess. Let's put men's sunglasses and just 2 of them. And all men glasses. Okay, here we go. Oh, so yeah, pretty straightforward.
So whilst you're here, what I do like is when you're hovering over the image of the product, you know, it fades out and then you've got your information, you've got your price and product name.
Yeah, you don't lose the product by putting your mouse on top.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a real site using this theme so far, apparently. Now, as you can see, it looks completely different based on that, on the demo that we saw. So I don't know about the Beatnik. I think it's trying to be too minimalistic for me. Let's have a look at different styles so far. Okay, so different style. Here we go. Let's look at this one, Chantilly. Okay. So if you demo, same deal. Don't forget you get more styles for your buck. And here we go. Looks like a Christmas kind of shop. We like Christmas.
We do.
Okay, we're Christmas people. Okay, and same deal here. Very homemadey, very friendly looking. And we have the products here. Let's click on the products. Oh!
That's cute.
I like that
I
a
like
lot.
how that works.
I didn't expect that, and this is super nice. I like how these pop-ups like that. Very cool.
I love how it keeps your images at the top. You know, you're not losing the rest of the products when you're zooming in and getting this pop-up of the product that you're actually selecting to look at.
Yeah, very, very nice. I like it. That was a very nice, style. And then we have this one, the next. We have seen this before in Clean Themes. They have, this kind of little, next navigation system there. And I usually prefer a sidebar where I can see more products. But in this case, it actually works, right?
It does. When you're going from one product to the next, and it works if you want to look at every product. If you're like this, the Christmas
Christian.
the Christmas decorations.
Yep.
When you're looking at all of them, it
it's
works
going
well.
to work. Okay, let's click collections once again, and we put all the collections to see how it's displayed. And it looks nice. It's very simplistic. Very, very, minimalistic, and I like that. I don't think it's going to work funny-wise for high-ticket items, or if you really want to get to like young people. It seems to me like more like a mom kind of theme of people that are browsing and they're having a lot of time to browse.
Yeah, I agree. This is the sort of site that I would enjoy looking at, but I would get lost for hours.
Yeah. Okay. So it's not the kind of theme that you want people to go for a quick purchase. And I don't know. How much the conversion rate of this theme will apply. But anyway, it looks beautiful. For sure, it fits. Clear markets of people that are doing this. Don't forget that we actually went to. Let's go out of here. We actually found this theme in the section of fashion, and I think it's a nice theme. There's nothing wrong with it. So the theme is once again called,
we've got Symmetry.
It's $180. That is usually the high price of themes here in Shopify, and includes 4 different styles. It looks very pretty different for us.
Yeah, we've got Beatnik, Chantilly, Duke, and Saltyard. It's nice to have the variation.
Okay, and to be honest, it's a nice theme. And if you buy from the guys of Clean Themes, I am completely sure you're going to get no issues with support. How many thumbs up are you going to give to Symmetry?
I will give it 2.
Okay, that's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a 1, to be honest. I think it's great. It's a beautiful theme, but in this case scenario, I'm just going to give it 1 because I think that some of the things that can actually affect conversion. So I'm thinking more about the part of making money versus the aesthetics and how cute it looks. But there were things that were cute. So in cuteness, maybe giving 2 thumbs up.
That's probably more my angle.
Yeah, I know. And in practicality, I'm going to give it one thumbs up. Okay. So that's it for today. Symmetry. And if you guys want to check more information about us,
we're at shoppyhunt.com. And we provide a lot more information about Shopify and reviews on Shopify themes and
apps, strategies, content, guides, and the whole shebang. Go and check it out, shoppyhunt.com, and let us know what you think. Or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, the whole thing. And we're not in Snapchat. And I don't think we'll ever be in Snapchat.
Yeah, maybe not.
Okay, so thank you once again, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.